Oh, there. You like your finger, not mine.
I'm
Okay.
not going to put my fingers in there. Even though there's lock washers,
Yep.
we still put blue leaf threader on.
Oh,
We
okay.
thought. And Adam lowered it down just enough. We have the pedestal marked which one was the right front. So we're putting this on the same way it came apart. I do not need to put my fingers in between anything because the gantry crane is holding. Adam, can you get those on that side? The gantry crane is holding the.
Yep.
Let me get my 2 wrenches.
Slid together very nice.
7/8 on top, 15/16 on the bottom. We'll probably get the air wrench out here a little bit later too, but I'll just tighten this one up just to hold it.
So don't fall on Adam's toes.
Well, it's the tractor, it won't fall down now,
No,
but the
it
gantry
can't fall.
crane is still on and the jack
Yep.
stands are
Jack
still
stand,
underneath it.
it's all safe. All safe.
But we can see already this pedestal is down quite a bit more than what it was in the past.
Got some breathing room?
Yeah, it won't rub on the frame the way it was. That was the problem.
Oh, good.
Okay, it's getting snug here.
I'll get some on this side and square it up.
In fact, I'm so positive on what we're doing, I'm going to take the jack stands out. We don't need them anymore.
Well, don't need them anymore, no. Those are super nice jack stands too.
Yeah, they are. Okay, we have those bolts and nuts somewhat tightened. Adam's going to lower the gantry crane. And once again, the Farmall H is going to be sitting on his front tires.
Back on his wheels.
So lower it down, and we can also move the gantry crane out of the way now too. And then we will tighten up the nut and put the cotter key in. And we did one other thing.
Do you have to center that here or anything?
Yes, we will center it when we put it on. We have the tires pointing straight ahead. We have the steering wheel in a comfortable position for straight. And now it's just a matter of tightening that up, and our project is going to be over with. The gantry crane is moved out of the way. The tractor is sitting back on its pedestal. Front tires are on the ground. The nut tightened up nicely. Now we just have to fill the reservoir up with lubricant. Now, just a word about lubricant. It came with 90 weight in it, and that would stay now that we have a new shaft and a new seal. Some people put grease in here, but I think grease is too thick. We're going to mix grease and oil. I think that's the correct mixture. It's a little bit heavier than 90 weight, lighter than grease. In fact, Adam's going to do that, and he's going to fill this up right now, and we'll put the cover on. Well, it's all done. Now, it just came to my attention that the video might have been stopped a while ago, and I might have to either learn how to splice these together or just put 2 videos in. Here's something else we did to improve the steering on this. This was really worn right here. So we had this shaft out a while ago when we replaced the radiator, and because the worm is in such good condition, we elected not to replace the shaft. But I welded on the shaft, and I made long welds, one on each side, 180 degrees apart, and then let it cool down, and then I would keep doing it until I worked my way around, trying not to overheat the shaft and to heat it up evenly. And then Adam turned it back down, and now it fits in there so nice. That's just a perfect fit. We also put a set screw in here right on top of the half key that's in there, and that took out quite a bit of slop too. George now has climbed back up. How does it feel?
Just like new.
Just like new. Show everybody how much free play there is.
That's it.
That is the only free play. And actually, that's probably coming from this universal joint, actually. That's how tight the steering is now in this H. Well, I think with this, I'm going to conclude this video, or it might be videos now.
You know what a free play is? Right the shaft, that's double.
Oh, some of the free plays right with the steering wheel on the shaft even. We can probably take care of that as well.
Tighten the nut.
Well, this is Brian. Hopefully this series of videos will help you work on your tractor. Hopefully you find the courage and the confidence to take your bolster apart and fix it up like we did. I'm sure it'll make quite a bit of difference. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful. And as always, enjoy working on your old tractor. Goodbye.